Hi students, welcome to my class. I am your teacher Fe, and today I'm going to teach you on how you're going to solve your grades in traditional grading system. So first, let me introduce to you our written works, performance tasks, and your quarterly assessment, wherein written works contains 30% of your grade, your performance task contains 50% of your grades, and lastly, your quarterly assessment contains 20% of your grade. So all in all, you have to get 100%. Okay, so the first thing is your written works. So I'm going to solve it for you and we'll fill in the blanks here. So here are your possible scores in written works. So written works number 1, 15, written works number 2, 25, written works number 3, 20, written works number 4, 10, written works number 5, 20, for in a total of 100. So your percentage score here is 100 and your weighted score here, of course, it is 30%. So, for example, we were going to get or we're going to solve for Ariela Arida's grade or percentage and weighted scores. So, Ariela Arida got 10 out of 15, 24 out of 25, 19 out of 20, 9 out of 10, 18 out of 20, wherein all the row scores of Ariela Arida will be combined together so that we could get the total score for it. Okay? So, I will show you the formula and I will show you on how is it possible to get the scores. Okay, I will show you the formula on how are you going to get the total score, the percentage score, and your weighted score. So first thing, of course, we will combine these row scores together, the 10 plus 24 plus 19 plus 9 plus 18. Then you will get 80 total scores. Okay? So 80. And then, what are we going to do in 80 is, of course, we will follow the formula. And then we have the total score of 80 divided by 100, and that will give you 0.8 and will be multiplied by 100. Multiplied by 100, and that will give you 80. Because 0.8 multiplied by 100 is 80. So that is your percentage score. Again, in getting your percentage score, you must divide your total scores from the highest possible score, which is 100. Okay, so you will get 0.8, multiply it to your percentage score, which is 100. Of course, you will get your percentage score 80. Okay, so in other hand, we have the weighted score. So in getting the weighted score here, percentage score 80 will be multiplied by 30% weighted score. So 80 multiplied by 30% or 0.3, that will give you 24. So meaning your weighted score is 24 because your percentage score is only multiplied by 30% weighted score, and that will give you again the 24. Okay, so I think I am making sense, and I think you can get it now, and of course solve. In solving your performance task, you will use the same process as in written works. So we will first, of course, we will get the total scores from this row score. So 20 plus 20, 20 plus 10 plus 12 plus 17 plus 15, that is 74. Okay, so your total score is 74, and then we will get the percentage score. So this is the formula that we're going to use. So the total score, which is 74, divided by the highest possible score, which is 80, multiplied by 100, and that is 92.5. 92.5 is your percentage score. Okay? Then, in solving your weighted score, only thing you do is multiply your percentage score 92.5 by 50% or 0.5. That is 46.25. Of course, yes. So 92.5 percentage score will be multiplied to the 50% weighted score, which is 50. And that is 46.25. That's it. Now, we will get your initial grade. So, in getting your initial grade, all you have to do is to combine all your rated scores from your written works, performance task, and from your quarterly assessment. So, remember that all of your weighted scores only will be combined to get your initial grade. So, your Ariela Arida's weighted score from written works is 24. And we will be added 46.25 from her performance task weighted score. And then, combined it to 19.5 weighted score from her quarterly assessment. So, that is your initial grade all in all. Okay? So, 24 plus 46.25 plus 19.5, that is 89.75. Okay. Initial grade is 89.75. Now, we will get the value or the equivalent of 89.75 from transmutation table, wherein I will going to show it to my screen. Okay. Then, we will find 89.75 from the transmutation table. So, the equivalent of 89.75 from our transmutation table is, okay, 93. Meaning, Ariela Arida got 93 quarterly grade. Okay? So, the same thing we will do in others, or the same thing, the same process, the same solving formula to get the grades for the other members of the group here in this class. Okay? Always remember that this is quite hard, but we will make it and we will get through it. Okay? So I think that is all for today. That is all about the traditional grading system. Again, thank you for listening. I hope that I got your attention. You learned a lot, and you will reflect it, and you will also be mindful in getting or in solving the grades. So that is all for today. Again, I am your teacher Fe. Thank you for listening, students. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you.